How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get a deeper voice step-by-step tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So we will be doing a workout, you guys. The first exercise I want you guys to do is going to be deep breathing. So our first exercise, we're going to take 3 deep breaths. So we're going to do this. So that's 3 deep breaths. Take a quick 10-second break. I'll show you the next exercise. So the next exercise that we will be doing, you guys, is I want you to put your hand on your stomach and you're going to be pushing air in and out through your stomach. So your chest should not rise. Your hand should just move forward like this. So 1, 2, ten reps. Perfect. Take a 10-second break. Okay, we're going to come back to the deep breathing now. So 3 deep breaths. So perfect. Quick little break. Okay, we're going to put our hand on our stomach like this, and we're going to do again 10. That's 6, keep going. That's 10, perfect. 10-second break. So this will be the last exercise. I'm going to show you guys another tip too. I'm going to talk about another tip. Okay, so 3 deep breaths. So perfect. The last step I'm going to talk about is going to be talking slower. So a lot of people, they talk pretty fast. The faster you talk, the higher your voice gets, believe it or not. So I've done this actually a long time ago. I slowed down how fast that I talk, and this has actually made my voice way, way deeper. So that's one trick you guys can try out. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.